Hi, beauty lovers. Welcome to the enchanting world of mascara, where history unfolds in the subtle art of enhancing lashes. As we delve into this journey from the Victorian era to the present day, uncovering the evolution of mascara, its triumphs, and the modern resurgence of cake magic. Hi, my name is Jan, cosmetic formulator for Pavez and Salon Perez. Mascara has a rich history that spans over 1,000 years. From ancient Egyptian kohl to the modern-day mascara with added benefits, mascara is a testament to human creativity and innovation, and has made the world of beauty a more exciting and vibrant place. Mascara, as we know today, was invented in the 19th century. In the 1830s, Eugenie Rimmel, a French perfumer, developed the first commercial mascara, made from a mix of petroleum jelly and coal dust. Rimmel named his mascara Mascaro, which means mask in Spanish, as it was meant to mask any imperfections in the eyelashes. Mascara truly became wildly popular in the 1900s, since it helped make eyes stand out and convey emotions. The first mascara wand was invented in the 1880s by Helena Rubinstein, who used a mixture of petroleum jelly and black pigment to create mascara paste. In 1913, a chemist named Thomas Lyle Williams created the first mascara that was available in the USA. He named it Maybelline after his sister Mabel, who inspired him to create the product. The tube triumph of 1958 by Revlon introduced a mascara tube complete with a wand applicator, an innovation at its finest. However, every revolution comes with a catch. The enclosed tube became a breeding ground for bacteria. To counter this, harmful preservatives entered the scene, creating a double-edged sword for mascara users. The lengths we go for beauty. Now in the present day, where mascara faces environmental challenges, in this eco-conscious landscape, Cape Mascara stages a triumphant comeback. Cosmetic formulators like beauty alchemists are revisiting the basics, offering 100% natural, vegan, and zero-waste mascara options. The packaging can be made of tin. The bamboo brushes contribute to sustainable and eco-friendly approach. And behold the return of cake magic, emerging from a beauty boot camp, healthier and full of wholesome ingredients. A nod to the elegance of our past in our eco-conscious present time. This, my friends, is the Mascara Saga, a tale of beauty, innovation, and the timeless allure of captivating lashes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Otherwise, stay beautiful and stay gorgeous. And it's bye for now.